is nou besig om die groot karoo binne te tree. Ja, het raak al klaar lekker droër. Hallo karoo. Hier so draak lekker warm, is nou eers. Dis nog nie so 9 uur nie en is klaar so warm. Wat? Kyk nou hier, die karoo is groen hè. Die karoo is groen. Net ewe skielik is die berge rooi. Okay, I found the wonder tree. So basically, it's a shepherd tree that had three branches coming out from the ground. 2 of those branches conjoined, making it like a loop, and the third branch thread the loop, making it like threading the needle. So yeah, and then there's another tree next to it, just keeping it company. So that's the Wonderboom from Willowmore. Funny to me, these trees are protected by this fence because of the goats in the area that just eats the shrubs and the trees and whatever. And you can clearly see there's no plants or weeds where it's not fenced off. Kanye, dit begin nou soos Karoo lyk, dinge raak droër. Dinge raak droër. Ja, nog eentjie. Ja, die pad is lank en reguit. Ja, ten minste is die berge mooi, so dis so right. Hier is Beervlei Dam. So 80 jaar gelede het Willowmore en die Baviaans area oorspoel, gevloed. So toe bou die staat hierdie dam sodat dit is 'n keringdam, ek kan nou nie aan die regte woord dink nie. 'n opgaardam is, of nie opgaardam nie, 'n voorbehoedings wat ook al, ja. Hier kom die Karoo vlaktes aan, kyk nou hierso. Tannie wat vir my hierdie sappie gegee het, baie dankie. Hierdie pad hou nie op hier. Hou nie op hier. Die Karoo sonsondergang. Yo, today was my first 120 kilometer day on the bicycle. 120 kilometers. I would have never thought I can cycle so far. Yeah, Jurgen stopped me next to the road in Aberdeen. And he told me come sleep in my guest house. So I said, jeez, of course, thank you so much. So I'm currently sleeping at his GS motorbike themed tented glamping guest house. Yeah, it's a super nice spot. My spot for the night. Come and look here, he even prepared me a nice jamazini and a coke. Hier gaan bye dankie.